Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the critical process died stop code on Windows 11. First, completely shut down your computer and disconnect all unnecessary external devices. This includes USB drives, printers, webcams, external hard drives, and USB hubs. A faulty device or driver can sometimes trigger this blue screen error. Turn your PC back on with only your keyboard, mouse, and monitor connected, then check if the problem is gone. If Windows crashes before or immediately after you sign in, you'll need to enter the Windows recovery environment. Turn on your PC, and as soon as the Windows logo appears, press and hold the power button to force it to shut down. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th startup, Windows should automatically open the automatic repair screen. Select Advanced Options to continue. From there, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and open Command Prompt. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. This built-in tool scans Windows for corrupted or missing system files and automatically replaces damaged files with healthy copies. When the scan finishes, return to Advanced Options and select Startup Repair. Windows will check your startup files and boot configuration, then attempt to repair any problems that may be preventing the system from starting correctly. If the blue screen still appears after trying these repairs, return to Advanced Options again and choose Reset this PC. Select Keep My Files to reinstall Windows while preserving your personal files. This replaces damaged Windows system files without deleting your documents, making it one of the most effective ways to resolve persistent critical errors. Thanks for watching.